Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can design a simple printable calendar using the tool called Canva. So here you go to canva.com and you have this page seen. So what you'll do is you search for what you want. Let's search for calendar and press enter. So you'll have all the calendar templates in here for you in different dimensions. So you can scroll through and look. As you can notice, some of them are pro, but that doesn't matter. You can still use the free versions of the calendar. So you can simply click on these calendars and see the ones you would like to go with. So we're going to click on this and then customize this template. So we can rename it 2024 calendar. To change the background, you click on that. You go to the colors and change that. And then to change on the font color, you click on that. You select the item and change the color. So we can rename this to our front page, and we can decide to delete any other item here and change it to a background color instead. You can replace with an image of your choice by simply choosing the image and dragging it to the background, and then we can blur the transparency, reduce the transparency. So after that, let's go to the first month. It's January. You can select an image and just drop it there to your own image. And then you can add a note here. Since my birthday is in January, I will add a text and call it Fanny's birthday, which is on 4th January. So we shall reduce the text to 12. I hope you're able to see that. And then highlight it. Give it an italic font. So I'll choose that font. So I'll just copy this same. I'll duplicate it. Since I share the same birth date with my mom, I'll write here a note and mom's birthday, which is on the same date. And I'll go to elements, search for hearts, and I'll add those hearts here. Then change the color to brown. Perfect. Now let's go to the next month, which is February. Now my only sister is also born in February. So I'll simply copy this and paste it here. Allow pasting, and I'll just put that below the date she was born and say it's Patton's birthday. Then we can replace that with our image. The same applies to March. We can change the background color to brown. We highlight all this and then change the color to that, and then also highlight this and change the color to that. So this is March. April, we are pretty much going to do the same thing. You can just upload an image by dragging and dropping. June, we can change the background to dark, change the color to white, and then highlight the dates as well. That we highlight the notes and also change the color to that, and then adjust this. So you do the same for the other months until December. Change pictures, change photos. You can change the font to what you want. You can change all the pictures to your own and change the colors to all that you want. You can mark important dates for your calendar. And when you're done, you simply click on share and then click on download all the 13 pages and then click on download. Also, when you go to more, you'll find a number of options in here. You can share the public view, you can share the template link, you can present and record, you can send to your phone. So when you look at this calendar and scroll down, you can see this is your customized calendar. You can change it to your brand style, customize it to suit whatever you want. So thank you for watching. That's basically how to start creating a printable calendar using Canva that you can easily customize and print either for your brand needs